Hello everyone, Mauro here. In this video, we're going to look at the changes that Microsoft is rolling out on Windows 11 build 22635.4660 and the beta channel, which is part of the 23H2 development. This is a tiny update, and pretty much the only significant update that we're going to see is that on File Explorer is that Microsoft is now bringing labels for commands such as cut, copy, rename, share, and delete to version 23H2 that used to be only for 24H2. Now, another change that's been noted on this particular update is that when you go through the initial setup and you get to the page to rename the device, you will now see a description that will let you know that your device will restart after you apply the name. A lot of people don't know this, but if you skip the option, you can continue with the initial setup. However, if you type a name for your computer, the device has to restart and then it will pick up where you left off. Also, if you happen to use the Magnifier, Microsoft also added the buttons to reset soon to fit the screen and reset soon to your last or preferred magnification, which are these two buttons right here. Now, this change is not part of this particular release, but I wanted to point out that in the future, Windows 11 might also get an icon that allows you to open the panel for emojis right from the system tray in the taskbar, as you can see right here. Also, it's been discovered that in this release, Microsoft is working to update the About page in the Settings app to highlight some of the hardware specs with cards at the top of the page for storage, graphics card, memory, and processor. Now, Microsoft also released the Windows 11 build 27766, and let me show you right here that I have that build installed on this computer. However, this update doesn't include any visual changes, and we're only getting some small and general improvements and fixes, and nothing else. And that's it. Those are the changes that Microsoft has made available during the first week of 2025. Now, these are actually updates that we were not expecting today. Usually, Microsoft takes a little more time when the year starts to release new previews, but for some reason, the company decided to push these two new updates. Let me know in the comments what you think about these changes. Also, let me know what other type of contents you would like to see on the channel. Also, remember to like the video and share it. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.